In 1610, Cosimo de' Medici, Grand Duke of Tuscany, named Galileo as his personal mathematician. This position brought Galileo back to Florence and enabled him to devote more time to astronomy. With his telescope, Galileo became the first European to document sunspots, which refuted Aristotle's belief that the sun was a perfect sphere without mark or blemish. Galileo had already shown this was not true for the moon in 1609 when he used his telescope to discover lunar mountains and craters. Galileo concluded that the moon was a rough and uneven surface, just as Earth itself, and not the smooth sphere Aristotle envisioned. Also, as we have learned in class, most of Galileo's discoveries created major conflict with the Church. Remember, these are times where the Church had a huge influence on the way people and countries governed themselves. The Church was the government, and they maintained authority and the answers to the universe. The Church believed that space was perfect because that's where God was present. To describe the sun or moon as imperfect was a contradiction to the Church, and the Church was uncomfortable with it, despite the fact that it was truth. Once again, Galileo continues to be bold with presenting the truth of the universe, even being a Catholic man himself,